Hook. Did you know that investing just $100 per month can turn into $100,000 in 20 years? I'm Tro. Welcome to our channel where we explore the world of investing and personal finance, and today we're going to talk about investing for beginners step by step, including how to get started with as little as $100 per month, and how to use AI tools to optimize your portfolio and maximize your returns. Method 1. The first step is to set a budget and start saving, and one of the best ways to do this is by using the 50/30/20 rule, where 50% of your income goes towards necessities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and investing, and you can use AI tools such as Mint, or you need a budget to track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. Method 2. The second step is to invest in a tax-advantaged retirement account such as a 401k or an IRA, which can help you save for the future and reduce your tax liability, and you can use AI tools such as Betterment or Wealthfront to optimize your portfolio and maximize your returns. And for example, if you invest $500 per month in a 401k and earn an average annual return of 7%, you can have over $1 million in your account in 30 years. Method 3. The third step is to invest in dividend-paying stocks, which can provide a regular stream of income and help you build wealth over time, and you can use AI tools such as Robinhood or eToro to buy and sell stocks. And for example, if you invest $1,000 in a dividend-paying stock such as Johnson & Johnson and earn an average annual return of 4%, you can earn over $40 per year in dividends. Bonus. And as a bonus tip, you can also invest in real estate investment trusts or REITs, which can provide a steady stream of income and help you diversify your portfolio. And you can use AI tools such as Fundrise or Rich Uncles to invest in REITs. And for example, if you invest $1,000 in a REIT and earn an average annual return of 8%, you can earn over $80 per year in dividends. CTA. So if you want to start building your wealth and achieving financial freedom, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.